To improve our design, we will need our previously made boot dryers, a paper envelope, preferably with bubble inside, some Mylar foil like from a potato chip bag, some snips, and a 1/2-inch drill bit, and of course some packing tape. First, take your scissors and cut open the paper envelope into 2 halves. Take the paper side of your paper envelope and place the back side of the Mylar foil against the paper side of the envelope and align them. Then take a strip of tape to tape the Mylar foil to the paper, and we will use this as a template for tracing out our shape. With our template corners taped off, begin to trim off the excess. With the excess trimmed off, tape the entire perimeter of our paper foil sheet. And now you have it, one taped Mylar and bubble wrap sheet. After doing a mock-up of our sheet, we find that one sheet doesn't actually fit very well into the mouth of our bottle. So take the one sheet and cut it in half. Then seal off these ends again with tape. After doing another mock fitting, we find that even half of these is too large to be accommodated by our device. So cut in half again. Then seal off with tape. Next, tape the 2 long edges together. Then trim off the excess tape. With our Mylar tubes now complete, we now move on to the second portion, which is to drill some extra holes into our device. With your 1/2-inch drill bit, drill 4 holes around the top of the bottle. Repeat for the other bottle. Clean off the excess material using your scissors and a safety razor. Okay, now with our bottle completely vented, now I'll show you how to actually use the device. Insert one bottle into one of the boots, like so. Take the other bottle and then lastly, until about as far as it can go, and as you can see it's pretty much touching the bottom of the boot, so make sure just without touching the bottom of the boot. The same for the other. And there you have it. So as this dries in a warm area, but not directly in the sun, preferably behind a window, sunlight will strike the inside and reflect off the foil, heat up the air inside. Hot air will vent out the holes that we just drilled, drawing cool air up through the top, which should be some amount of insulated or shielded from the exposure. I mean, ideally this is behind a window, so you get some kind of convection effect going on in there. And there you have it, our improved convection boot dryer.